damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Warren County. Following locations: Lake Gaston and South Point and Morningstar Marinas. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on a low, sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning has been issued until noon for the following county: Warren, North Carolina.